Tukambĩrĩria arutwo baile ba skulu ya secondary Njore na daktari ura wathinjire mwĩrĩ yo mũritwa wa form 1 ura wakuire mwaka mũthiru skulu neu ni baritĩte okuye ya mbenere okuje bwa kuthingathĩra kuthuya mũritwa urethirete uturo bwawe harito ba bawite Sebastian nari moyo mbere ya sibitari na daktari kirukuye bwa wite mũritwa na arari uturo bwawe mbere ya kinya sibitari. Samro Geshima aina donoro
Wambere kunenkanira ukuje emunde ukurukira njira ya mtandao ariri daktari Lucy Senegwa uranwe anenkanire ripoti ya mbicha ya x-ray ya chibitari ya Tenri Ena tariki 19 mweri wa 10 mwaka muthiru. Kuringana na Senegwa, mbicha ya kibara ya Sebastian yonanagia ari na murimo wa typical pneumonia.
But when the findings are patches and they're not in a particular distribution, we designate that an atypical kind of pneumonia. It's not the usual pneumonias. Someone requested for the x-ray to be done, and it was done at ENA, and it was sent to me virtually for reporting.
So after the x-ray image, the report, you never treated the patient?
I never saw the patient. Mine is just to give a radiographic examination report.
Noe daktari Nicholas Nkonge wa chibitari ya rufaa ya Chuka ura aruthire mwiri wa Sebastian postmortem tariki 23 mweri wa 10 mwaka muthiru airite koti ati kuru wa Sebastian ikwari kwimbu.
As a result of the above findings, the cause of death was determined to be septicemia, blood poisoning due to ongoing acute chest infection and lower limb cellulitis.
Amanogu murugamiri wa chibitari ya Chuka daktari Maureen Ogeto akiruta ukuje bwake augite ati amwena kuigwa daktari Nkonge aruta wera chibitari ya rufaa ya Chuka atatumitwe ichibitari kurutha postmortem ya mwiri wa Sebastian.
About the permission to do the postmortem, he was not authorized to do the postmortem on behalf of the hospital.
Daktari Ojonkruki augite ati chibitari ya Chuka abo imwire ba mukire wa muritojo arekete ukwa untubura bukubingana na ukuje buraburutetwe na ritobaire barabatethanirie na arimo kwira Sebastian chibitari barabakugati bakimwira na onanagia dariri cha kuigwa na arimoyo.
Nikagundua hayuko sawa, kaita mwalimu wakakuja. Nikimuita like yeye ananiangalia tu.
Alikuwa yuko hali gani?
Ukimshika yeye alikuwa anainua kwa si mguu, tunamshika anakaa anainua tunamweka, yani yeye angejivisha nguo mwenyewe.
What is documented in the medical record, he was declared dead before arrival.
Before arrival? In essence, what should that mean?
At the time the clinical officer was examining the student had no signs of life. So the death did not come within the hospital, because if you came in with some signs of life, there could have been some form of resuscitation, which did not happen.
Ende igamba riri kathimbere kuthikirwe tariki 13 cia mweri wujite rira akuje bathatu bamuthia bakaruta ukuje bwago. Nkiripotera Weru TV kuma gichigo bunge ya Chuka Igamba Ng'ombe mbita wa Samuel Gaishima.